today. Hope you are keeping safe. Welcome to my channel, Ridhma's Kitchen. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get all the recipes and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I am going to make an amazing veg red Thai curry that goes well with rice. It's very simple and easy to make recipe. Let's start with the ingredients now. For the red Thai curry, we will need around 500 ml of coconut milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of red Thai curry. It is easily available online. Half teaspoon of MSG, 4 tablespoons of capsicum, colored bell pepper, 4 tablespoons of onion, 4 tablespoons of broccoli. I have taken few paneer cubes. You can take tofu if you have. 3 tablespoons of carrots, few mushrooms roughly chopped, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, some garlic, kaffir lime leaves. Then there is this Thai ginger, it is called kalangal, and some lemongrass. Firstly, I have taken 1 tablespoon of lemongrass. I have roughly chopped it. 1 tablespoon of ginger, that is kalangal, and 3 to 4 kaffir lime leaves. I am going to put it in a grinder and add some water and grind it to a fine paste. The mixture is done. Now I am going to strain it. Now I am going to stir fry my vegetables. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil in a big pan. Now I am going to add chopped lemon, chopped colored red bell peppers, carrots. You can take any vegetables that you have. Corns and baby corn also you can take if you have. Broccoli. Just let it stir fry for 2 minutes. Next I am going to add mushrooms. As well as paneer. As I said before, you can also add tofu. I don't have that, so that's why I have taken paneer. While our vegetables are stir frying, I am going to quickly make my curry ingredients. I have taken around 500 ml of coconut milk. Now I am going to take around 250 ml of water in this. Going to add the kaffir lime juice that we have made earlier. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, salt, vinegar, half teaspoon of sugar. This is just to balance the chili from the red Thai paste. Now I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of red curry paste in the mixture and blend it well. Mix it well with a hand blender. I forgot to add garlic in the beginning, so I have added garlic now. mashed it and added it. Our vegetables are also stir fried. Make sure that the vegetables don't lose the color. We want the bright color of the vegetables to look good. Now I'm going to add the curry that I have prepared to this mixture and let it come to a boil. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of MSG. That is totally optional. If you don't want it, please don't add. This gives a very good taste to the curry. Our red curry is done. As you can see, it is bubbling now. See, it's the beautiful color. Now it's time to serve it. Now I'm going to show you how to decorate and serve the red Thai curry. First, we are going to take a rice in a plate. In the center of the plate, I have taken a rice with the help of a bowl in the center of the plate. Now I am going to put the curry all around it, slowly on the sides, like this. And decorate it with some coriander leaves.
I hope you like my recipe. Please read my notes for clarification or ask me any question in the comments below. Thank you all for watching my video, and if you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel so as not to miss any new recipes. I will try and post the new videos soon. Till then, take care and bye. Stay safe.